There's a lie that ruins nations. Wait for the war to end. Wait for the perfect leader, then we'll begin. Number. Nations are not rebuilt by waiting. They're rebuilt by working while the night is still dark. So when the sun rises, the blueprint is ready. This is Yalla Nabda. Let's begin. A roadmap born in crisis, written by citizens grounded in our truth. Sudan is not broken. Sudan is unfinished. We will not be passengers of history. We will be its authors. Our inheritance is vast, land that can feed the region and the world, water from the Nile, from the rains, from aquifers, deep beneath our feet, minerals scattered through our mountains, oil that still flows, gold that glitters through our history. Rare earth elements for the industries of tomorrow. Uranium that demands wisdom and responsibility. And above all, our people. Inventive, relentless, and young. War may have torn our roads and roofs, but its deeper wound is the collapse of imagination. We must rebuild imagination first, and everything else will follow. Schools, clinics, roads, railways, factories, free newspapers, honest courts, working markets. We will not wait for calm to design our future. We design now so peace has rails to run on. And this is where the call begins. To every Sudanese mind and hand, inside the country or abroad, this moment is yours. To the intellectuals, the professors, the lecturers, the doctors, the engineers, the architects, the technicians and the builders of our land. To the environmentalists who will heal our earth. To the agricultural engineers who will feed our people. To the geologists who will uncover our wealth responsibly. To the health workers who will mend bodies and minds. To the artists, the teachers, the journalists and the entrepreneurs who will awaken the soul of a nation. Do not wait for orders. Do not wait for the right government or the right hero. Start now. Begin writing the plans, the curricula, the proposals, the designs and the policies Sudan will need the day peace arrives. Because when that day comes, we must not meet peace with empty hands. We must meet it with blueprints. Plan your schools, plan your farms, plan your hospitals, your factories, your bridges, your clean energy grids. Design better systems for justice, education, trade, and environment. Form research circles, online think tanks, community workshops. Document what works and what never must happen again. Our nation's rebirth will not begin with a signature in a palace. It will begin with the hands and minds of its people, working long before the first day of peace. Nation over tribe. That's our creed. Our plan wears no colors of clan or party. It wears the colors of Sudan. Blue for our waters. Yellow for our deserts. Green for our fertile hope. No more borders inside the border, no more hate that starves us. We debate fiercely, but we build together. That is how nations rise. Before concrete, before copper, before code, teachers. Even in war, children must learn, parents must teach. We will keep learning alive, mobile classrooms, radio lessons, safe schools under trees. We train teachers now so that every village will have a mentor, not just a blackboard. A curriculum that builds citizens, literacy and numeracy for all, civic ethics to end corruption and hate, and the skills of the modern world, agriculture, energy, technology, and trades. Because the spine of a nation is not steel, it's school. Our land is a sleeping giant. From Gezira's canals to the Nubian banks, from Kassala's groves to Kordofan's plains, we can feed ourselves and others. Secure the land, irrigate smartly. Grow what suits our soil, use seeds that endure drought, form cooperatives that share profit, and build small factories that process what we grow. Value must stay home. Let us pave the farm roads, store the harvest, lend fairly, and protect the farmer. Food security first, then export strength. That is sovereignty you can taste. Beneath our soil lies wealth, oil for our transition, gold that glitters with memory, rare earth elements that power the future, uranium that demands the highest law and integrity. We will not trade tomorrow for cash today. Every contract transparent, every mine accountable, every community sharing in what the earth gives. We refine what we can, protect what we must, and invest the rest in schools, hospitals, and infrastructure. Resources are not a curse if handled with conscience. They are the test of our maturity. A country is not land, it is connection. We will stitch Sudan with roads, bridges, ports, railways and broadband. Fix first, then extend. Build logistics hubs with silos and cold rooms. Create public works that feed families now and leave lasting assets behind. Connect villages to markets and classrooms to the world. When we connect, we compete. When we compete, we grow. A healthy nation begins with care. A mother who survives childbirth, a child who beats fever, a father who returns to work, a mind that heals from what it saw. These are the pillars of rebirth. We rebuild primary care, send mobile clinics, train local nurses, integrate mental health, digitize health data, and keep medicine close to those who need it most. We heal bodies to free minds. We free minds to build futures. No plan survives corruption, and no truth survives silence. Our renewal must rest on justice, protected by light. Power shared fairly, courts independent, budgets open to citizens, the press free to ask and to tell. We build radios in villages, newspapers in towns, and voices that speak truth without fear. Democracy is not a date, it's a daily habit. Aid can keep us alive, but enterprise lets us live. We will light the runway for small businesses and startups. Microfinance for the unbanked, incubators in every region, simple laws that reward honesty, diaspora mentorship, women and youth at the center of growth, because jobs are the most powerful peace treaty ever signed. We are heirs to Kush and Nubia, to pyramids and temples, to deserts that sing and music that unites. Tourism is not vanity, it's revival. We will protect our heritage, train local guides, build visitor routes, and tell our story with pride. When the world visits, it should meet a nation ready, dignified, and proud of its past. A rising tide that drowns the weak is a flood, not progress. We will protect the vulnerable. Cash transfers, public works, food programs, and rights for women and children. These are not charity. They are the essence of a nation that refuses to leave anyone behind. Sudan must trade, connect, and integrate. We are not an island, we are a bridge. We will modernize customs, open corridors, build logistics hubs, and embrace digital trade. We will not just sell products, we will sell reliability. We begin now, even amid conflict, with modular projects, repair critical roads, teach through radio, train teachers and nurses, start cooperatives, build solar grids, protect the press, open budget portals, fund small businesses. Then expand agribusiness zones, processing plants, broadband, universal health, tourism routes, manufacturing parks. By the decade's end, Sudan must stand among Africa's top economies with dignity and direction. But beware the old traps: corruption, favoritism, hate. Every project will be checked for inclusion, every contract public, every citizen involved. The media must stay free, the courts honest, the people awake. Land, water, minerals, oil, gold, rare earth elements, uranium, people. These are our pillars, but people come first. We will not grow by selling dirt and buying dreams. We will grow by turning our resources into rights, schools, water, hospitals, jobs, justice, and voice. Who is the hero we are waiting for? Look around. She is teaching under a tree. He is fixing a water pump at dusk. They are coding in a cafe. You, listening to this, refusing to surrender. We are the hero. Millions of us, ordinary and unstoppable. One morning, the guns will fall silent. The air will change. And when that day comes, we will not scramble. We will unfold the plan. Bulldozers will move to the right roads. Teachers will enter the right classrooms. Investors will read the right laws. Journalists will switch on their microphones. Because we planned in the dark, we will move in the light. Repeat it, Sudan. We choose nation over tribe, work over waiting, truth over fear, today over someday, each other over everything. The war will end. And when it does, we will be ready, with maps drawn, schools designed, seeds sorted, and the will to build. Stay with us. Share this vision. Bring your ideas. Bring your courage. Don't wait for peace to begin. Begin so that peace can come. Yalla Nabda.